Hey guys, okay, we have 3 minutes, so let's get started. Basically, I searched for a picture of the Arctic in Unsplash, and I found this, and I love the colors here. So what I did was I just took a screenshot of this area, and then I opened up that screenshot in Photoshop, and you'll see here the little cropped area. I'm going to edit define pattern and click OK. And then also I'm going to define a little smaller area in there where it's light, and also Command M or edit define pattern. And now I have two color palettes for my color blending brushes. So now I'm going to go over here to my document, make a new layer. I am grabbing Modern Impressionist brush number 10 with the pattern stamp tool selected and Impressionist check. I'm going to grab the image of the whole iceberg thing that I captured. And I am just going to paint like this. And as you can see, you've got those beautiful color blending strokes. And don't forget, you can download a sample of these brushes from Adobe that I actually have on their website. So that's really cool. I'll make a new layer. Also, still in the pattern stamp tool, I'm going to grab my iridescent brush number 54. And now for my palette, I'm going to select the lighter iceberg area that I had just selected. And now I'm going to add some little accents over the top of it. And this brush is really cool. I love those little icy elements that it creates. So we're just going to kind of mimic what I have over here on the left. That's cool. Good enough. And now I'm going to create a new layer in between those two layers, and I'm going to have it clipped to the original layer, and I'm going to add some gold into that, like nice watercolor. So I'm going to grab my 24 karat gold brush number 27, and I'm going to go over here to my color palette for the 24 karat gold, option select to load my palette with some of this beautiful gold. And now I'm going to paint over that. I'm going to select a little bit lighter of a color. That's nicer. So now I'm just going to paint like I did and use that clipping mask to have some really beautiful gold accents there on that clipping to that watercolor with that. It's got the nice, it's got a little bit of transparency and stuff. So pretty. No layer styles even used. And then what I might do is underneath the watercolor layer, make a new layer. Maybe I'll take my brush size down a little bit, and I might add some little accents back here, maybe back here. That's 3 minutes, so we're done. As you can see, we use 3 brushes, and you can just transfer your text over there, and let me know if you have any questions.